If you're staying in Sidari town centre, down there by the beach or anywhere in the local area, and you want a water park, this is brilliant. It's only got a few slides, but they are quite scary, quite fast, and it's way cheaper than Aqualand. Aqualand you'll be paying 50 odd euros for. This one is 10 euros for adults and 8 euros for kids, and that includes unlimited access to all of the slides. You've got a kids area as well, which you love. And you've also got the chance of food. They've got a restaurant which you can use, snacks, all sorts. And yeah, cabanas. If you want to spend 40 euros, you can have a whole like beers, wine, the lot. But yeah, I definitely recommend if you're staying here and you want a day of sun and slides, this is as good as you're going to get in the local area. So these are the cabanas. So you actually have to pay for these. These are reserved. So you can use the normal sunbeds, which are here. And if you're staying at the hotel, you can use the ones on that side as well, where the main pool is. But around the water park, you've got this, and you've got these ones. And for 40 euros, you get a package, which contains a bottle of water, 3 litres of refreshments, which is like a bottle of wine or 3 litres of a draft beer. And then you get 10% discount at the spa facilities and a plate of finger food as well. So if you're here just with your family and you want to sit in a more comfortable location while you're watching them, that's how much it is. And for adults, if you want to come here and you're staying in Sidari, it's 10 euros per person. And for children, it's 8 euros per person. And anyone can use it, it's not just hotel guests. And for that price, you get to use all 3 of those big slides there. So you've got the one in the middle, which is really quick, the one on the right, which is a bit painful, but the one on the left is quite good, the open one. And then on the other side, you've got the kids area, which has like one of those tipping buckets and some pretty good slides. The only thing is, it is not heated, so it isn't very warm. On a day like this, where it's a bit cloudy, it's not really too appetizing, but when the sun comes out, it's not too bad. But yeah, overall, if you're staying in Sidari, I'd recommend it. Come and have a go.
Now, don't get me wrong, I know it's not the biggest water park in the whole world, but you get 3 main slides and then about 4 or 5 in the kids section with the water bucket and things, so it is good. And of the 3 main slides, I'd say this one is by far the best. It's the steepest, it's the smoothest, and it's the fastest. If you get it right, you can skim all the way on your bum to the actual wall at the end. So you have to really get it perfect, but it's like you just skim across the surface of the water and you can go really far. It is good fun. This side, however, I would say is the worst. So it looks like they've tried repairing it a few times, but it's not worked very well and it is really painful. I did this once on my back and really hurt it, and then I went down on my bum, which was a bit better, but it's still quite ridged. Let me know in the comments if you had the same issues, but yeah, this slide, as of this visit, was definitely not for me. On the other hand, this one was brilliant. So it was an open slide, and if you lay down on your back, you could go really quick, or if you sat up, then you could go at a nice leisurely pace. But this one I'd say is the best for families and little ones, and you can go on it over and over again. So overall, it's a brilliant day out, and anyone who's staying in Sidari will have a great time. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.